Hello kids, welcome to Uma's Knowledge Park. Today we are going to learn about 20 amazing construction vehicles. So are you ready kids? Let's start. This is a bulldozer. It pushes soil, rock and sand. It has big blade in front. So kids, say with me, bulldozer. This is a dump truck. It can lift its back to dump the load. It carries sand, gravel and stone. So kids, say with me, dump truck. This is an excavator. It has long arm and a big bucket. So kids, say with me, excavator. This is a crane. It carries heavy things high into the air. It helps in building tall branches. So kids, say with me, crane. This is a cement mixer. It mixes cement, sand and water. The big drum keeps turning. So kids, say with me, cement mixer. This is a backhoe loader. It can dig with the back bucket and push with the front bucket. It does two jobs in a single machine. So kids, say with me, backhoe loader. This is a road roller. It presses the road to make it smooth and flat. It has a huge heavy roller. So kids, say with me, road roller. This is a skid steer loader. It is a small machine that can lift dirt and move materials. It can turn quickly in small spaces. So kids, say with me, skid steer loader. This is a motor grader. It makes road smooth before paving. It has a long blade. So kids, say with me, motor grader. This is asphalt paver. It spreads hot asphalt to make new roads. Then the road roller makes the road smooth. So kids, say with me, asphalt paver. This is a wheel loader. It lifts sand, rocks and gravel. It has a big bucket in front. So kids, say with me, wheel loader. This is a water tanker. It sprays water on dusty roads. It helps in construction site cleaning. So kids, say with me, water tanker. This is a flatbed truck. It carries heavy machine and building materials. It has a long flat platform. So kids, say with me, flatbed truck. This is a trencher. It digs long narrow trenches in the ground. It helps in laying pipes and cables. So kids, say with me, trencher. This is a forklift. It lifts heavy boxes and building materials. It has two strong forks in the front. So kids, say with me, forklift. This is a compact track loader. It moves dirt, sand and stones. It tracks, helps in drive on this soft ground. So kids, say with me, compact track loader. This is a scraper. It cuts and carries soil. It helps in making the ground flat. So kids, say with me, scraper. This is a pile driver. It pushes long piles deep into the ground. So kids, say with me, pile driver. This is a concrete pump truck. It pumps wet concrete through a long pipe. So kids, say with me, concrete pump truck. This is a cold planer. It removes oiled road surfaces. So kids, say with me, cold planer. So kids, today we learned 20 amazing construction vehicles. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Uma's Knowledge Bar. Bye bye kids, see you in the next video.